Hello everyone. Yes, we finished one of our competition. How was it? But I think 4th A and 4th C, they got only half an hour. No problem. Next week we can. And next week and coming weeks, we are going to conduct different types of competition. And from that competition, we can compete. Not like the boys and girls. We can call roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that in one group and another group like that. Whatever, maybe we can make some groups and we can make a competition. Are you ready? Yes. So we can start our class with a prayer, silent prayer, kids. Okay. Then, which chapter now we are discussing? Yes, our 5th chapter. That's the last chapter from our term 1 textbook. And what's the chapter heading? Yes, using of maps. And in that chapter, we discussed about how many continents? Yes, 7 continents. How many oceans? 5 oceans. And the keys or legends. What does mean by political map and physical map, and which are the colors, which are the symbols that we used to draw the maps and all. And now we are going to discuss about another term that is related to our map. Okay. And 2 maps are there. One map is bigger than your dining hall. And another map is that have the size of one A4 size or one chart paper size. Which is good or which is convenient for us? Which you will choose? Of course, we will choose the small map. Why? It is easy for us to use that and we can locate all the places very easily. Otherwise, a big map means we feel some difficulty and we feel some discomfort with it. And for drawing the maps in such a way, we are using the scale of a map. Scale means a measurements. Measurements which we are used in a maps are called scale of a map. Okay, now we are going to check. In almost all the maps you can see, while I think most of you have atlas along with you. You can check almost all the maps. Here most probably right corner they are mentioning which one scale of the map. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer like that. Please check it there. Okay. And here now we are going to draw a map that shows the distance between our school and beach, our school and fire station, our school and Mananjara Square, our school and which one is the famous hotel there? Yes, Paragon Hotel, and our school and railway station. Okay, see, you look, if we are taking the correct measurement, can we draw all the things in an A4 size paper? No. And for avoiding that problem, we are using a scale. The scale means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. That means in our scale, 1 centimeter, that you know very well, 1 centimeter. In our scale, 1 centimeter, if we mark 1 centimeter, that is equal to 10 kilometer. That indicates 10 kilometer. Okay, suppose, must don't know the proper distance, kilometer distance, but approximately we can say. Then, distance between our school, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. That's better for you. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. That's enough. Our school to beach. Maybe, okay, we can draw St. Joseph School. St. Joseph Junior ICSE School. This is our school. And now we are going to mark our beach. Lions Park we can take. Maybe that around 1 kilometer. I think so. How many centimeters we can take? Yes, 1 centimeter from here. And we can mark. Direction later we can discuss. We can mark here. We can mark here. Which one? Beach. Now what does it mean? From St. Joseph Junior, our school, to beach, how many kilometers? Is it 1 centimeter only? Our scale means 1 centimeter. Actually it is 1 kilometer. Got it? Yes. And the next one, our school to Mananchara Square. Suppose distance between our school to Mananchara Square is 2 kilometer. How many centimeters we will take from here? Yes, 2 centimeter. Here we can mark 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter here we will mark. Which one? Mananchara Square. 2 centimeter. What does it mean? How many kilometers? 20 kilometers difference. Then which one? Paragon Hotel. Maybe that also 2 kilometer maybe. And any others? Mau Road. Mau Road means nearly 3 kilometer. How many centimeters? Yes, 3 centimeters. Medical College Hospital. How many kilometers? Maybe 7 kilometers. So how many centimeters? How many? Yes, 7 centimeter. Got it? That is meant by scale of a map. In our scale, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. And some other scales are the 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer, or 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. We can take any measurement. But properly we have to mention them. Got it? Then see, another maps are the 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 kilometer. 1000 kilometer. So like that map means here this 1 centimeter shows how many kilometers? 1000 kilometers. Got it? This is what is meant by scale of a map. Next one is familiar for you, that is direction. That you know very well. What is meant by direction? How many directions you know? Yes, our north, south, west, east. That you know very well. North, south, west, east direction. How many? There are 4 main directions. North, south, west and east. Got it? And last one is a familiar for you, more than me, you know very well. Smartphones, tablets and maps. Nowadays we can check everything from smartphones and everywhere. And one point only you have to note from the, if you have to, we can view the area that we want to see using these maps. To see more details, we will zoom in. To see more areas, we will zoom out. Okay, that 2 terms you have to know. And these maps we will collect from smartphones and the tablets, that won't give the tap view. And it will always provide the person sees if they are standing on the road. See, one thing you have to remember, while using the maps on smartphones, tablets and all, if we have to, or if we would like to, yes, if we would like to see more areas, we will, to see more details, we will zoom in. To see more areas, we will zoom out. Okay, kids. So, these are the three main contents are remaining from our chapter. Now, we are going to check some activities. See, this one is your homework question. Which one? Take your workbook, page number 25. Page number 25, question number 14. You can see one picture there. You can see one picture. Is it clear? And there you can see column A, B and C. A, B, C. Then here 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. That means A1, A2, A3. B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. It is better you can write here. Miss can't write in this textbook, that's why here you can write A1, A2, A3. Here also B1, B2, B3. It's better, I'll show you. Like this column, na? Okay, these are the columns A, B, C. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Means A1, A2, A3. Sorry, A2, A3. Here B1, B2, B3. C1, C2, C3. Clear? Now we are going to check the questions. What is shown in A3? This is an A3. A3 size. What is shown in A3? You can see signs, symbols, colors and everything. We studied one term. What was that? Yes, legend. Key or legends. So you can write no need to copy this one to your notebook. You have to write here. This is your homework question. Only one question. The key or legend is shown in A3. The key or first answer. What is shown in A3? First answer, the key or legend is shown in A3. Key or legends. Why? Colors, symbols, signs, everything are given there. And what is meant by second question? Where are the entrance gates? You can see two entrance gates are there. Yellow color box is there. Two entrance gates are there. One is in B1 here. One is in B1. Another is in C2. B1 and C2. Okay. So the next one, B. The entrance gates are in B1 and C2. Clear? Two entrance gates are there. That's one in B1 and another one in C2. Next, third one, where does, which symbol is that? Direction. Appear on the map. Where does it appear? Yes, C1. Okay. And that's the third one, C. the directions appear in C1. Got it? And one more question is the what does it shows? What does it shows? It shows the direction. How many directions we have? 4 directions: north, south, west and east. Okay. Now you can write the it shows the 4 directions. North, south, west and east. Okay, this is your homework question. Once more, one picture is the A, B, C. Which size is that? A3 size. And here 1, 2, 3. So that's why you can mark the A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. And what's meant by first question? What is shown in A3? That's very clear. Legends and signs legends or keys are shown in A3. Second one, where are the entrance gates? How many gates we have? 2 gates are there in the picture. One is in B1 and another one is in C2. And direction were C1. What does it mean? 4. It shows 4 directions: north, south, west and east. See kids, this is your homework. Only one homework, but there are 3 questions. No need to copy this picture and answers to your notebook. Only you can write all these answers one by one in the space which is allotted for that. Okay. Kids, don't forget about your homework. How many homework questions? Only one, but there are 3 questions. That's why only one question is given there. And no need to copy that. You can write the answers just below the and submit the. Okay kids. Thank you.